The de facto offers a modularity unseen with any other of these types of vocal mics. So if you want to upgrade your wireless system, this is a very efficient way to get studio quality microphones onto the live stage. You choose whatever wireless adapter that fits your system or the wired handle for phantom power. Once you've chosen the capsule and the wireless system, you connect the capsule to the wireless adapter. You mount the grill to the adapter, mount it to the wireless system, and there you go, you have studio quality sound on stage. The two capsules are easy to tell apart. One has the 4018V engraved and the other one has 4018VL engraved. The VL is linear all the way up for you to tailor your own sound, and the V has a little high boost 3 dB around 12K. They're both supercardioid, meaning that they have a very high attenuation from the side, but a very smooth pickup pattern all the way around. All the frequencies are equal all the way around, meaning that it doesn't change the sonic character when you move around the microphone. But it attenuates dramatically when you go to the back of the microphone with a complete depth angle around 140 degrees. The dynamic range of the de facto is 120 dB. With a max SPL at 160 dB, you have plenty of room for whatever you want to record with the de facto. We are using a PVD treatment, it's a hardening process, to obtain the black finish of the de facto handle. This process makes the handle very durable and resistant to scratches and makes the de facto look new for many years of heavy use. The grill is a 3-stage pop grill. We have the outer grill, we have the inner pop shield, it's a very delicate, very fine net, and then we have the inner foam. The inner foam is removable and easy to replace again. When you are cleaning the microphone, take off the grill and wipe it with isopropanol. If you want to clean the foam, inside foam on the de facto, peel out the foam. I'm using tweezers or this just to release it and then pull it with my fingers. So wash it, leave it out to dry overnight maybe, and put it back in. Very easy. Mesh back in and back to your wireless system, and you're ready to go again. Thank you for watching. If you need more information, please look at our website. There's a lot more to see there.